Hey, welcome back to the Seaville offices. I'm Kathy Harding, and today I want to talk to you about the Bridge. The Bridge is a very eclectic art space in Belmont near Spudnuts, which is a good place to be no matter whether you're an artist or not. And the Bridge is having its first annual fundraiser. We're calling the party the Revel, and I love the Bridge. I think it's a really important art space for emergent artists, and the work that they do out in the community, giving voice to kids and underserved populations, is equally as important. So I want to tell you a little bit about what's going to happen at the Revel on Saturday night, and that's April 25th. If you pay $50, remember it's a fundraiser, you can come in for the whole party. It starts at 8 o'clock. If you want to just come for the after party, that starts at 11, $20 gets you an open bar, $10 gets you admission with a cash bar. If you come for the whole party, you will see a lot of amusing entertainments. You'll have a chance to make a mustache, learn to make animal sounds, and have a lot of fun, as well as seeing some of the works that the Bridge has done in the community in the last 5 years. And at 9 o'clock, an art auction, a live auction, will start. And these are works from local artists who have gotten together in support of the Bridge's mission, in the hope that the people at the party will bid, and bid handsomely, for really wonderful artwork. Let me tell you some of the people who are participating in this auction. I know you will be impressed. We've got Akemi Ohira, Clay Witt, my personal hero, Cynthia Burke, Robin Braun, Bill Wiley, you know his photographs, of course. Many of these people are on the faculty at UVA. Many of them are also community artists. Pam Pecchio, Edward Thomas, a recent subject of a Seaville cover story. John Borden Evans, Lydia Moyer, filmmaker Kevin Everson has donated a prop from one of his movies. Will May, we're a fan of Will May and a friend. Shelby Fisher, Dick Crozier, Golnar Adili, Megan Marlott, Dean Doss, who has a show up right now at the Garage, and Patrick Costello, who has had shows at the Bridge. And indeed, all of these artists in one way or another have been connected to the Bridge. Their works are fantastic. I am very, very proud of the collection that we've been able to put together. This week's Seaville, here online, or the print edition, has a review actually of these shows. If you're interested in seeing the works live, in person, before the auction and the Revel on Saturday night, please come out to the Bridge for a preview party on Tuesday night, or come during gallery hours the rest of the week and see the work that's up. And I know normally, we don't do a big public service announcement, although we did recently convince you to donate blood, and thank you, those of you who've done that. But the Bridge is a really important organization, and I stand behind it, and I think this is going to be a great party. The musical guests include Sarah White and West Swing. There's going to be a dance party afterwards. It's at the Bridge near Spudnuts. Check it out. We'll see you guys next week if we don't see you at the Bridge before then.